Welcome to Maple Leaf Numismatics. Today, we're going to explore the history of the 1944 Tombac 5-cent coin, one of Canada's rarest and most valuable coins. Let's dive into its intriguing story. During World War II, to aid the war effort, the Royal Canadian Mint changed the 5-cent coin from nickel to Tombac, as nickel was essential for making goods such as airplanes, armor plating, and nickel plating in canned goods. The new 12-sided Tombac coin, introduced in 1942, was made from an alloy consisting of 88% copper and 12% zinc. The reverse design underwent a significant change in 1943, reflecting wartime sentiments and the need for patriotic symbols. The new design features an impression of the character V, symbolizing victory. Accompanying the V is a torch symbolizing sacrifice, conveying the message that victory requires both sacrifice and hard work. Surrounding the design is a Morse code message starting at 6 o'clock and running clockwise, which reads, "We win when we work willingly." What makes the 1944 Tombac 5-cent coin exceptionally rare is its limited mintage. Only 8,000 Tombacs were produced. Of these, only one is known to exist today, certified VF35 by PCGS. This coin sold at auction in 1999 for $52,000 and is valued at over $88,000 today. Let's take a closer look at this remarkable piece of numismatic history. This coin not only represents a rare collectible, but also a tangible link to Canada's wartime efforts and numismatic evolution. Its scarcity and historical context make it a prized possession for collectors worldwide. Thank you for joining us at Maple Leaf Numismatics. We hope you found this informative.